Hi friends, now using instructions. So in this video I am going to show you how to make simple touch on off circuit using 355 timer IC. So let's get started guys. First you have to short 4th pin and 8th pin. You can see like that, 4th pin and 8th pin. It is very easy guys, anyone can make this. This is the any 355 timer IC. So let's see. And then take an LED stick and then cut it. And then you can see here you have to first solder for 5th pin and then 6th pin and then 1st pin and 2nd pin. Like that guys, you have to solder it, 1st pin and 2nd pin, 5th pin and 6th pin. These are the wires. When we press our finger on it, it will turn on and turn off. 5th and 6th pins are to turn off the LED. 1st pin and 2nd pin is to on the LED. Like that you have to solder guys. You can see guys, I am soldering for 6th pin. You can see, very easy guys. You can see like that you have to solder the pins. You can see, and then solder for 1st pin and 2nd pin also guys. It's very important. 1st pin, 2nd pin is on and 5th pin and 6th pin is for off. So you can see I soldered for 1st pin, now for 2nd pin. Yes, like that we have to solder that. Yes, very easy guys. Yes, like that. So you can see guys, yes, you can see the connections that I made clearly. You can see guys, on off. And then take an LED and check the minus and plus poles of the LED. You can see minus for the 1st pin and plus for the 3rd pin of the IC. So let's see how we can solder this. You can see guys, apply the LED for LED and then you can see minus of the LED to the minus of the IC means 1st pin ground. Yes, like that. And then plus of the LED to the 3rd pin of the 355 timer IC. Like that guys. It's very easy guys. Anyone can make this. You can see, simply follow my instructions. You can see like that. If you mold the LED like that, it is simple for you guys. You can see on off wires and off wires, 2 and LED. You can see, very easy guys. So then now I will connect the power supply wires. 8th pin goes to the plus of the power supply and 1st pin goes to minus of the power supply. You can see ground. I used 18650 batteries, 3 volts batteries guys. Yes guys, it's working. You can see guys, very easy guys. Touch on off circuit. If you want to blow a AC bulb from this circuit, see my another video link given in the description. Very easy guys. So thanks for watching.